Well, hello everyone, here we are at the bench once again. Now this time I want to show you another item in the Tory factory range, but it's not, I guess, what you may have seen in other videos. It's not heads, it's not sci-fi or fantasy. When I saw this accessory, I thought it would probably have some resonance with absolutely certain model makers out there, because I hadn't seen anything quite like this before, and certainly not in the quantities which I want to show you today. Now, what it is these guys. Now, what the Tory factory have done is again created an unusually large collection of figures. As you can see, in this particular range, this is US Battleship Cruise number 3 in the salute pose. And on the build plate, you get more than 330 figures, including in this set, and these are at 1/200th scale. So if you're marine modelers, these might be something that you'd like to maybe take a look at. Right, so let's have a look at the actual figures themselves. Let me put the box there. Now then, let's have a look at these guys. So you get two full sets on the build plate. Let me have a look at these. Now I'm going to have to have a look at these through my magnification. Let me just bring that closer to the camera. I do assure you, these are individual figures. I mean, it's crazy the size that they've managed to print these at, but that's the full build plate for one of the figures. Now, let me just bring in my magnifier so I can have a look at these in more detail. Right, so this is the officer set, I think. Yes, it is. And looking at these under 10 times magnification, you can absolutely discern some of the uniform, even at this scale. It's quite amazing, really. Because if I just rotate this slightly, I can see folds in trousers. I can see the uniforms absolutely there. And yep, the salute is there. That's an amazing amount of detail. Let me just get the other one out. I think what they've done is they've mixed these up. There's officers and seamen on the same build plate. I'm just having a look at the back as well of these guys, and again, amazing amount of detail. I mean, I can discern their boots, which is amazing at 1/200th scale. Now that's very, very impressive as a piece of not just modeling but also printing. The machine has done an extremely good job of printing these guys with enough detail, so with a naked eye you would be able to pick these out once they're painted. It's an amazing set, which I thought might pique the interest of many of you, particularly if it's something you want to add to your models. I always think figures of this kind of thing, they just bring a model to life, and these guys could be absolutely something to have a look at for your builds. So that is FS-18B, which is the US Battleship Cruise number 3 salute pose in 1/200th scale. As usual, any questions, any queries, do come back to me, and of course, keep on modeling.